Imagine if your HVAC rooftops partner became unstable and unreliable. You'd have to face the risks and take action to secure your job sites. You can't afford to waste time or money. It is key to partner with a manufacturer that has a long track record and has designed with compatibility in mind. Trane's Airfinity rooftops fit not only our own roof curbs, but also some roof curbs from other manufacturers. This significantly eases installation and eliminates complicated retrofit procedures. As an example, here is one of the most common units on the market. The Trane Airfinity unit fits on the existing roof curb. It matches in capacity and footprint. In addition, Trane has a solid service network with experience in these replacements. Partnering with Trane is the right choice for a long-term, reliable future. For more information on how Trane can help secure your rooftop installations, go to our website.